Okay, this is a really weird function, 2x squared plus 3 over x squared plus 2. The reason this is really weird is because if you look at it, we see we have a quadratic in the top and a quadratic in the bottom, which means we'll have a horizontal asymptote at y equals the coefficients, which means y equals 2. But you see there are powers of x in the top and you see there are powers of x in the bottom, so that makes you want to say that there are going to be vertical asymptotes and x-intercepts. The problem is 2x squared plus 3 does not ever equal 0 if we're doing real numbers, which is what we do when we graph. And similarly, x squared plus 2 will never equal 0 if we're using real numbers. Those would both be imaginary solutions, which don't really show up in what we graph. So this thing is really just going to be like a function that has a horizontal asymptote at 2, but it's just going to be kind of like funky in the middle. So if you look at the answer key, you kind of see that, but it's weird. You shouldn't really, you should know there's a horizontal asymptote at 2 for this, but you shouldn't really know how to graph this accurately past that other than just plugging in points. So don't worry too much about this one. The graph really just looks like a horizontal line with like a weird dip there. So that's kind of weird and for another day.